Yes, I've had a little bit of a haircut. I'm going to style it a little bit later. So this is my Dumber and Dumber impression. Crazy, isn't it? Right, I'm going to talk about hair systems and ladies. I'm going to show you this first initially. There's European hair semi-processed and European hair unprocessed. So let's see if this works before I style my hair. The European hair unprocessed has got so much movement in it. It looks absolutely beautiful. If you can see it, it's fantastic. And I'll show you the movement. The movement is created by keeping the cuticle in, and the knotting is so specialised. They loop it under, back round and up, and leave a shorts in the hair around about 4 inches long, and that keeps the movement of the hair system. And this is a lady's hair system, European hair. Look at the movement. It's fantastic. So that's that one. Beautiful hair system. This one here, as you can see, is extremely thick. Well, it's for a young lady, Michelle. She's only 17, alopecia. But again, this is European hair semi-processed, which means the cuticle is semi-stripped. But you can always tell a good hair system, where it's been made. If you turn it around to the nape and you do this, get the hair and then you brush it. And I'm brushing this from the nape now, and it's just incredible work. Look at all this here. Unbelievable work. 14, 15 weeks. But this is incredible. Right, so I flip it back round to the lace at the front. Just be a little bit careful so I don't snag it. Here we go, and I'm brushing it again. So the difference between the two, the unprocessed hair is quite an expensive product. It takes twice as long to make, and when ladies come and see me and they want the European unprocessed, I suggest that they, unless they can absolutely afford it, I suggest that they have 2 of these. It makes total sense to me, instead of one of those. They're beautiful, but very expensive. There we go. That's that. Right. Back to my haircut. Yep, I've had a haircut. Let's have a look at this. You can see it's just slightly shorter than a couple of weeks ago. Stuart cut it in for me, and I'm gonna leave it in this style. In fact, I prefer this style on me. Shorter, a crop look, maybe this much, and I'm gonna do that on the 3rd cut of this hair system. Personally, I prefer it on my face, but because people come and see me for consultations, I always have it off. So here we go. I normally part it this side, so I'm gonna part it that side and see what happens. Right, off with the glasses. Can use a paddle brush for this. See, straight away it goes into a style. Now this system's getting on now, and it's like I said in a few videos, I want to get a few cuts out of this so you can see the difference. Right, so that's coming along nicely. And a slightly different style. Let's use this brush, my favourite. You always go to your favourites, don't you? That looks pretty good, I think. Let's have a look. Yeah, not so bad at all. So I've gone from that side to forward, shorter cut, showing you European unprocessed hair systems and European semi-processed for ladies. They're absolutely fantastic. So we'll leave on this end, and I'm going to see you all next week.